alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, which means 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 equals 0. We are going to find the value of alpha minus beta squared. But where should we start the solution? Welcome to Math Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the standard form of a quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If we set alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then we have alpha plus beta, which means the sum of the roots is negative b over a, where b is the coefficient of the x and a is the leading coefficient. Also, alpha times beta is c over a, where c is constant term and a is the leading coefficient. But how can we use this one and this one, which means the sum and product of the roots, to find the value of alpha minus beta squared? Let me write it. Alpha minus beta squared. So, to start the solution, I'm going to get help from an algebraic identity that says a minus b squared, which means the square of the difference of two terms is going to be first term squared minus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. So, alpha minus beta squared is going to be first term squared minus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. Next, as you know, we have the value of the product of the roots, which means alpha times beta. Alpha times beta equals c over a. In this case, c is 5 and the leading coefficient is 2. So I can put this number here, 5 over 2. So it's going to be alpha squared minus 2 times 5 over 2 plus beta squared. As we know, these two and these two can be cancelled off. So let me rewrite it. Alpha squared, I'm going to write beta first, plus 5. So alpha minus beta squared is alpha squared plus beta squared plus 5 squared. But still we don't have the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. Remember, the value of alpha squared plus beta squared is not same as alpha plus beta squared. This is the most common mistake that students do when they are going to solve this type of question, alpha squared plus beta squared. So what should we do? To continue the solution, I'm going to get help from next algebraic identity that says a plus b squared. A squared of the sum of two terms is going to be first term squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. Now, let me put alpha and beta here instead of a and b. So we have alpha plus beta squared is going to be first term squared plus twice of first term and second term plus second term squared. As you know, we have the value of alpha times beta, 5 over 2. Let me write it. So it's going to be alpha squared plus 2, 5 over 2 plus beta squared. These two can be cancelled off. So we have alpha squared plus 5. Let me write it at the end, plus beta squared plus 5. So what do we have here? Alpha plus beta squared is alpha squared plus beta squared plus 5. Now, I'm going to use this to continue in the solution. What how? We have alpha plus beta equals negative b over a, which means in this case, negative b, negative 7 over a 2. So, let me put here negative 7 over 2. Alpha plus beta squared. So, we have to the power of 2 here equals alpha squared plus beta squared plus 5. So, what is the value of alpha plus beta squared? Negative 7 over 2 squared is going to be negative 7 over 2 times negative 7 over 2. Negative times negative, positive 7 times 7, 49. 2 times 2, 4. So we have 49 over 4 equals alpha squared plus beta squared plus 5. So what is the value of alpha squared plus beta squared? The value of alpha squared plus beta squared is going to be 49 over 4 minus 5. How can we solve this? As you know, 5 is same as 5 over 1. So this 1 times 49 is going to be 49. This 4 times 5 is going to be 20. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. So 49 minus 20 is 29 over 4. This is the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. Is 29 over 4. Let me keep it here. So, now, let's come back to the alpha minus beta squared. Alpha minus beta squared is alpha squared plus beta squared plus 5. So, what do we have here? Alpha squared plus beta squared minus 5. I write here plus 5, but the correct is minus 5. Because here we have negative 2 times 5 over 2, right? So, alpha squared plus beta squared is this one, 29 over 4, minus 5, which means 5 over 1. What is the value of 25? 29 over 4 minus 5 over 4. 1 times 29 is going to be 29. 4 times 5 is going to be 20. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. So 29 minus 20 is 9 over 4. And this is the final answer, which means alpha minus beta squared is going to be 9 over 4. And this is the most simplified answer of our question. Have fun.